Hello friends, welcome to my channel Literature Lovers. Today's topic talk about on the satire. The satire is a very popular form of English poetry, but it does not have any fixed literary form. In fact, a satire can be in prose as well as in verse. Like other forms of poetry, satire is originally from Greece. Its original meaning is an unpolished verse. The object of this satire is to expose the folly or vice of human society. The purpose is to correct the mistakes by making people laugh at the mistakes. John Dryden has rightly pointed out the true end of satire is the amendment of the vices by correction. Dryden and Pope were two great satirists in English poetry. These poets used heroic couplet and made it immensely popular. Dryden's satire was of a general nature. He did not make any personal attack. He hated the sin but had sympathy for the sinners. But Alexander Pope was not so noble as Dryden. His satires are personal. They are full of the poison of personal hatred. Actually, the satire in English is quite an old form. Chaucer used it in the 14th century. So also Dr. Johnson in the 18th century. In the 20th century, G.V. Shaw made use of satire in his drama. The object of Shaw was to expose the vices and to reform society. Whether it is prose, poetry, or drama, personal attack has gone out of fashion. The essential of a good satire. The satire can be defined as a literary composition whose principle aim to the ridicule, folly, or vice. Dryden says that the aim of satire is amendment of vice correction. The satire is found in both poetry and prose. It has no set literary form. It can be written often in form of ode, elegy, ballad, or anything else. Sometimes even the novels are satirical. For example, Don Quixote and Gulliver Travels. The satire is of classical origin. The plays of Aristophanes are the masterpieces. This was followed by Latin writers like Horace, Persius, and Juvenal. The satire was imitated by Elizabethan and Augustan poets in English. Dryden and Pope is the greatest exponent of satire. Some of the famous satire are Dryden's Absalom and Achitophel, Mick Butler's Hundibus, Pope's Dunciad, Byron's Vision of Judgment. Characteristics of satire. The satire may be either inspired by a personal grievance or a passion for reform. It is an attack on a person or group of persons or on a social evil or folly. It is written in a light mood. The satire is intended to ridicule, not to abuse. In general, poet hates the sin and not the sinner. It is forceful and outspoken. Dryden brings out the vice of the society with a great force. The language is used in the satire is terse and concise. It is generally written in heroic couplet. Dryden and Pope used it with a great skill, and Byron handled it vigorously. The subject of satire can be different. Each age has its own set of vice. So friends, thanks for watching the video.